I both own our own box in Lake County, Florida, CrossFit Unmatched. And I started CrossFit about 3 years ago through him. And it's been awesome. It's functional training that's absolutely insane, and I still get nervous to this day about doing CrossFit.
What do we have to do before we do a WOD? How many times?
Go pee.
Yeah. We call it the free WOD PPs. Still get those. 3 years deep. What else?
What's your favorite WOD?
Any hero WOD.
Any hero WOD's a good WOD.
Anything that makes me feel like I've been hit by a truck.
Yep.
My favorite WOD. Angie. That's my favorite.
Angie's a good one.
Okay.
And that's it. What?
Thank you.
Bye!
Bye! CrossFit Rock!